Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have another great video for you today. We are going to be talking about latest EV news. We are going to be talking about Rivian. Ticker symbol is RIVN. You're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, join the community, hit all on that notification bell so you can get all my views. I have provided some very important links down below. Right now, we are getting very nice promotions from Moomoo. If you open an account using my link down below, you will be guaranteed a free stock of Moomoo just for opening an account, which could be valued up to $3,500. If you deposit $1 or more, any amount of money into this account will grant you another free share of stock valued up to $3,500. I did just have somebody write me yesterday that they did get an Apple stock. Congratulations to that person. Also, you can get 3 additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500 if you put in $2,000 or more. Please take advantage of this, as this promotion will not last long. I did now want to transition and talk to you about Rivian stock, RIVN. We are going to start getting very important information moving forward this week and the next few weeks, all the way up until December 20th. There are going to be a lot of analysts that are going to start reviewing Rivian and giving price targets, and I did want to mention that and let you know what good prices to buy. There is one analyst that currently reviewed this Rivian stock, RIVN. They did give it a buy with a price target of $130. Right now, Rivian, the stock RIVN will be tested with these analysts. We'll definitely have to see what the pressures of the stock will do. It has dropped down quite a bit since it's IPO'd on November 10th when it was $78. Now the stock went all the way up to $172 at one point in time before dropping down all the way until now. Now, as of Friday, this stock did go below $105. Is this a good buying opportunity? I definitely think that right now could be a potential to get in a very small position in this. We'll definitely have to see as more analysts review this company. Now, I did want to just show you an article. According to Barron's, this analyst is predicting that the stock of Rivian RIVN should be valued at $130 and giving it a huge buy. This analyst is very well known in reviewing electric vehicle companies and has given Tesla Motors a price prediction in the next 12 months is $1,400. But he is saying that Rivian in the next 12 months should have a price target of about $130. Right now, if you can get this stock under $105, it's not a bad deal in my opinion. I am waiting for this stock to go under $100, but we have seen a lot of hype in this stock. We have seen a lot of meme investors pushing this stock all the way up to $172 at one point before this cool off. So these next 2 weeks will be critical and very important on the Rivian stock, as I do suspect that we will start seeing a bump up in the price because a lot of people will get that excitement, especially seeing that this new price target of $130. I do suspect that a lot of retail investors will be buying this, but we'll definitely still have to see. Now, there has been a lot of negative pressure on Rivian, which has brought the stock down and has cooled off the stock since it's IPO'd on November 10th. But some of the very big things are that Ford Motor Company has withdrawn from Rivian. They were going to be partnering up to build their electric pickup truck, but now Ford decided to work on their own and they are not going to be working with Rivian any longer. Now, that being said, Rivian still does have a lot of potential and a lot of good things going for it. Most specifically is that they are backed by Amazon. Amazon is not only a stockholder, they are also a consumer. They have pre-ordered 100,000 electric delivery vans, which should be delivered by the year 2030. Just next year in 2022, they will get about 10,000 of these delivery vans. So this is very good news for the company and definitely does give it that momentum to be a good stock in the future. Also very important with Rivian is it does have a big demand with retail and customers because there have been over 55,000 pre-orders of their R1T, their pickup truck, and their R1S, the SUV. So we'll definitely have to see, as this company definitely does have potential. Now, with it being evaluated at $100 billion, is it worth that evaluation to be valued more than Ford Motor Company, General Motors, Well, it definitely has to test the time, and we will see what the analysts have to start saying about it. And I guess we'll see in the next 2 weeks what they will say. But the first analyst did come out with a price target of $130. So we'll definitely see what kind of pressures this has. Now, looking at the stock charts, as I mentioned, Rivian did have a high of $172, but it did drop quite a bit. We had a big cool off in this stock. We did go under that $105 for the very first time, and it did stop trading on Friday at $104, which does give us a potential to get a small position in the company. In my personal own opinion, I would like to get the stock under $90. I still think that it is quite high with its valuation and its futures. I do think that the valuation of the company right now does have a lot of the stock price already put into the stock. So we'll definitely still have to see. Now, looking at the company, looking at the vehicle itself, it has also received some bad press out there about its efficiency and its towing. So first we'll talk about the Rivian efficiency. So with the efficiency, the vehicle is not the most efficient vehicle in the world, especially in the electric vehicle market. And Rivian is not the most efficient electric vehicle in the EV space, in the EV market. But I think it has to do with its very large size. It's very heavy. And also don't forget, it does have those 4 electric motors that will eat up a lot of the electrons, which does not improve that efficiency. Rivian did also just recently go through a towing test. It did tow, I believe it was a Ford Mustang, Shelby Mustang, a trailer, and some cargo and passengers along with the pickup truck. If you add in all that weight, I believe it was a little over 14,000 weight, 14,000 pounds. And according to the tests that we're doing on the testing of the towing, it looks like that the battery supply did lose about 60% of its range, but that is always expected, especially when towing something heavy and towing for a long period of time. As with any vehicle out there, as you know, it does consume a lot more fuel if it is an ICE internal combustion engine, or if it's an electric engine or an electric system, as in this space. So definitely, I do think that Rivian does have a very big potential in the future. I definitely think it is also a very strong play for long-term growth. So I do think that it is a very nice stock to get into. The key is at what price point. In the next 2 weeks, we'll definitely have to see what the analysts have to say. Right now, as I mentioned, we did have that one analyst that did give it a buy and a price target in the next 12 months at $130. Me specifically, I have not bought any shares of Rivian RIVN stock as of yet. I do suspect, and I would like to get into this stock under $90. At that price point, I still think it is a little bit more expensive, but I would feel comfortable to buy this stock under $90. I still have not bought this stock, but I will continue to update you. Now, I did just want to transition and talk to you about the Rivian stock RIVN. As of Friday, it did go as low as $100. It did end the day at 5.5% down. We did end the day at $104, so we now have gone below that $105 in the stock price. If you look in the past 5 days, we did test a resistance at about $123, but we have seen the stock go as low as $102 in the past 5 days, which has been almost 10% down for the past 5 days. Now, if we look in the past 1 month, we have seen that Rivian RIVN has skyrocketed and has gone up as high as $172, but then we have had a lot of cool down and a lot of big crash on this stock. So it does now give us a nice opportunity to start putting a position in this stock. We'll definitely still have to see what these analysts have to say and come out about this valuation and about this company and its futures. But I do think that below $90 is where this stock should be valued at. Even at that point, it is quite expensive in my own opinion, but please always do your own due diligence and always do your own research before purchasing this or any other stock. Well, thank you so much again for watching my videos, and I appreciate it. I hope you learned something new. Please give me that big thumbs up, the like button. If you have learned something new, smash that subscribe button, join the community. We would love to have you here. Hit that notification bell. so you can get all my videos. Also, I do have the big promotions down below. Please try to take advantage of that. If you use my link down below to Moomoo, that will give you one free stock just for opening an account, valued up to $3,500. I have now had viewers get Apple stock, Tesla stock, and Amazon stock. Congratulations to all those viewers. If you put any amount of money, $1 or more, into this account, that will guarantee you another free additional stock, again valued up to $3,500. If you put in $2,000 or more into this account, you will be guaranteed 3 additional free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, which gives you a chance of 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Please take advantage of that, as these promotions will not last long. They will be until the end of this month, until the end of December. But again, I would like to thank each and every one of you for your support, your prayers, for me and my family. As you know, I am still in Houston. We are having the funeral services this evening and Monday morning. So hopefully I will be back in the studio in the next couple of days, possibly by Tuesday, and I'll definitely talk to you by then. But again, thank you so much. And always remember, life is precious. Go out there, have fun, enjoy your family, and go out there and make some money. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you so much. Have a great day.